Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make deviled eggs Indian style. First, boil 6 large eggs until they are firm, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Once boiled, immediately transfer them to an ice bath to cool completely. This helps with easy peeling. After they are thoroughly cooled, carefully peel the eggs and slice each one in half lengthwise, separating the yolks from the whites. Place the yolks in a small bowl and arrange the whites on a serving platter. Now let's create that delicious Indian-inspired filling. Take your mashed egg yolks and add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise along with 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. For the Indian twist, mix in 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric powder and cumin powder. Stir in a small pinch of cayenne pepper if you enjoy a little heat. Combine all these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and creamy, ensuring all the spices are well incorporated. With your flavorful filling ready, it's time to assemble these delightful treats. Carefully spoon the spiced yolk mixture into a piping bag fitted with your preferred tip. Neatly pipe the filling back into each hollowed egg white half, creating an appealing mound. For a vibrant finish, garnish each deviled egg with a sprig of fresh cilantro and a light sprinkle of paprika. Chill your Indian-style deviled eggs for at least 30 minutes before serving to enhance their flavors. Your Indian-style deviled eggs are now ready to be enjoyed. These make a fantastic appetizer for any gathering or a delightful snack. For the best taste, serve them chilled. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is always important, and these deviled eggs are a delicious way to spice up your mealtime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.